What's up, guys? Welcome back to Money Making Bitcoin channel, and we back to how much money YouTube people make from YouTube videos of the thematics, and it is videos for kids, and how much money people make from YouTube from this channel. Each channel have 1,275,000 subscribers, and also have a good statistic on video, but last video have 1 month ago, and many videos have 9 months ago, 10 months ago, and 1 year ago. Video is small. So how much money I make from the channel that guy? It is statistic YouTube analytics from 2 years ago in September, and how much views it is, how many views it is. 50 million views more, and also $16,000 from YouTube. And also that guy show August and September incoming from 1 month, last 28 day, and also we see that in August to September, and from 1st August to 31st August, we see in month this guy having income from YouTube $80,000. What he do? He make video for kids, and also that video is also specific because when I'm see that videos, I'm was crazy. It's make me crazy because it is really stupid video for people who have good IQ and people who have 20 or more old. A lot of candy.
Конфеты, candy.
Yeah, this unboxing on YouTube, children and people like this, and we see another channels have an unboxing too, and we see that. And also this guy have at 3,000 subscribers and have 700 million on YouTube from this channel. Last video 1 year ago. It is not about unboxing, not candy, and we see that. But it is have a good views. We see that. And another channel have 82,000 subscribers and have 11 million views. We see that. And what about now?
New magic.
10 months ago, knew a lot of candy man, new candy magic for kids.
New magic video. Next. 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 Wow.
It is good idea for business, but now YouTube rules is very strong for people who start on YouTube, and bad kids, bad baby have delete from YouTube now. And also now it is have a bad views, or 20,000 views, 70,000 views, and we see that. Look at that, 2 months ago. It also bad now it is bad views, it is not million views, but 4 months ago, 4 months ago have 8 million views.
MICKEYMOUSE.
A little push. Anyways, let's zoom out. It's a yummy party.
it is really make me crazy, and people who not a kid who not a kid. So, and what about back to American Let's Play TV channel and that guy, and we see good statistic 2 years ago in August and September. Also this guy show us September 3 years ago, 2050 $24,000 have. This is it. And who people old see him go into analytics. It is analytics, YouTube dashboard. And also we hear people who have children 25 to 34 years at half percent. It's half, it's 50% maybe. No, 48%. And people who it's children, it's 3.4%, and we see that. And also first it is USA, it is United States of America. Second place it is Russia, who view this guy. It is next Vietnam, Great Britain, India, and another countries. And one per day he have $672. Not bad for Russian guy and for channel. So it is, I think it is good perspective and a good idea to start the channel, kids channel, who maybe think about business, who maybe think about views, many views, about make money, and also who maybe search business on YouTube, or some idea. So guys, thank you for watching. It's about YouTube, about how to make money on YouTube, and see you later.